Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know, we are finally in spring and allergy and pollen season. So I'm just here to warn you guys. Throughout the studio, I'm really congested. Even right now, you can hear it through my voice. But before we start this video, I want to give you guys a little introduction. Usually around this time, I like to give myself a little bit of a reset and re-examine myself and my surroundings. So in this video, I am really going around my room and decluttering, organizing, and really taking care of myself and my self-care needs. So I hope you guys enjoy, and maybe this gives you motivation to take care of yourself and to do the things that you guys have been procrastinating yourselves. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Right now, this is just how my room is currently set up, but I do plan on changing it up in the future. So right now I'm going to start off by taking everything off the counter and cleaning my countertops. What the hell? If you're wondering why I have all these balloons in my closet, it's because these are from Valentine's season. So I'm gonna pop all of these and put them in the trash.
Standing next to you in the moon.
You can tell by the amount of tissues in my hand, but we are definitely in allergy season. So these are the cubicles. In here I have a bunch of random wires and electronics. Here on this side I have my shorts and my skirts. And then over here I have a bunch of random snacks. And I'm not gonna lie, a lot of these snacks are probably really old. And then over here I also have a bunch of clothes too, but these are mostly sweats. So this corner is very cluttery. I have a humidifier, some picture frames, some flowers that I got. One thing about me is I love keeping the flowers. Over here in the back, I have a vase full of just like dead flowers. I love keeping them and holding them for memory. I want to give you guys a haul of all the clothes that I ordered. This is a bunch of clothes from Shein and TikTok shop. The reason why I got a whole bunch of clothes is because I knew that I was doing this video, and I knew this video was going to come with me throwing out a bunch of clothes that I do not use anymore, especially gym wear. I feel like I have no gym clothes, no cute gym sets or anything. This is a gym set, so cute. So this is a size medium, and it also came with matching shorts. I was looking for some sweats and I thought these were so cute. They're just gray sweats, but they have this knitting on this side. It's just a little cute design, and it's on the other side too. Then you could tie it up at the end to make a bow or something. These are another pair of pink shorts. I got some pink pieces because I realized I have none in my closet. Some white, kind of like linen pants. I got this cute black top. To be honest, I tried this on yesterday and it didn't really fit me as tight as I wanted it to, so I think I'm gonna be returning this. This was in a small, so I think I need to get an extra small. This too, I tried this on the other day, but it was way too big for me. Then I got this denim vest. I got this for an outfit that I want to wear on Saturday. Me and my boyfriend are supposed to be going to the rodeo, so it's gonna be like a western vibe. This is just like a casual kind of off the shoulder top. I really like the way that this fit. I did want it to be fitted, but I also wanted it to be loose at the top, so I think the size that I got was perfect. This is in a size medium, I believe. I wanted to get my nails done because my nails are so overgrown. These are my natural nails too. It's only acrylic on top. Okay, so it's currently 4:15, so we're gonna pause and get ready to go to the gym, but I want to show you guys where my room is at right now. I finished on this side, and then over here I have a bunch of stuff that just needs to get put away. And then this is how I left my desk. I didn't really know what to do with all the stuff that was on it. I put everything over here on the side. So over here I have all the roses that I cut off. Something that I want to focus on moving forward, especially going into the summer, is gut health. My stomach tends to not digest things well, especially whenever I eat late. For a woman's body, having to deal with so many things on top of bloating, hormones, health issues, and so much more affecting our day-to-day lives and confidence. Hello you guys, so it is currently 1:01 and right now I'm gonna go get my hair cut. My hair is so dead. I haven't cut my hair in like I don't know how many months. I feel like my hair right now is very dry and brittle, so I want to try relieving the moisture and getting a gloss or some type of hair conditioning. Now that I'm back home, I'm gonna replace my computer's case because it's kind of scratched up. It's really hard to tell in this lighting, but if you look closely, there's a few scratches and some of my stickers already faded off. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace these as well.
For example, Woonwong High School grade 12. If you stop the light, Mr. Kong. At the hospital. Enough!
So this is how the stickers turned out. A little bit of ASMR. Now I'm gonna add this My Melody figurine. I got this one at the arcade. It's so cute. I've been breaking out a lot around my chin area and on my upper cheeks right here. But usually whenever I break out around those areas, it's because of hormonal reasons. So hopefully a mask can help my skin feel some type of relief. So for now that I have this mask on, I'm gonna clean all my makeup brushes. Which one should I grab?
Nah.
I'm gonna do the one that you have. I'm gonna be so annoyed.
Ooh! I can have. See, I told you.
Where it go?
Ain't no way.
Oh!
It's stuck!
In other words, the
Look, he has this spin up again. He's eating. He's eating. Hi, buddy. Hi,